Hey guys, a lot of people have been asking about a lower dollar bus, and this is it. This is a 1977 great running VW bus. It's non-restored, so it's affordable, and it runs really well. It's got everything. It even has a camping interior. You can get in and go and enjoy and do a little here and there as time goes on. It could be the perfect bus for you. If you're local, come get a look. If you're not, send me a direct message. We have a broker that we work with. We ship buses all over the place, and it wouldn't be a problem to get you a quote. And that's it.